Hey beauty bears, Waah Gwaan, welcome back to another video on my channel. So today I'm back with a very interesting video. I think I've attempted Sharpie marbles, marbling with Sharpies. This is my third attempt. I previously did the Russian nails look on my channel, and I did a marble effect with the Sharpie, and I thought that was so bomb.com. So the original plan for these nails was to do a Sharpie milky nail, but it never turned out to how I wanted it, or I never proceeded to continue going with what I originally had planned. So I decided that okay, all right, I can do that for another time. And I really wanted to do it because I've never done a milk bath nails. I think I only have done it one time, and since then I haven't tried or made any attempt. But please to look out for that video because it will be coming soon, trust and believe, and other very interesting videos are coming soon. So ensure that you're subscribed to my channel. Your post notification is turned on, the bell right beside that subscribe button, so turn that on so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week every week. And also follow me on Instagram at Bare Beauty Services. And just a reminder, the reason why I tell you to turn on that post notification is because I don't have a designated time to posting videos. So if you want to see me work, watch me work on myself, go ahead and tap that bell. So one of the things that I want to incorporate in my videos really is that each time that I do a voiceover or I do a video, I want to come on here and give you guys advice. If you're an upcoming nail tech and you want that push, they want that drive to better yourself, I think that's ideal, and I think it will help some persons or persons who are aspiring to become nail techs. I feel like some of them get intimidated by it, and they want to give up on the first try. And I feel like I was at that point at one point and I was like, I know I'm a little bit more confident than then. So I think that's what I'm going to incorporate on my channel. Every time that I do come on here and do a voiceover, to kind of not bore you guys with just talking about random stuff, even though random stuff is not that bad. But yeah, I'll incorporate. So I won't do it for this video, but expect it on the next video. Very I thought about it and I thought yeah, it's very interesting, because I do have some comments and persons are saying, oh, they like my work and they want to blah blah this and blah blah that. So I was like, all right, I'll incorporate the advice and the tips to bettering yourself. So yeah, that's all I want to say. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please ensure that you're subscribed and tap the bell beside it. Follow me on Instagram and also give me a big fat like if you like the content that I do post. So for today's video, we'll be doing a slim thick nail. This is Coffin Nails, one of my favorite nail shape ever. If you guys don't realize, this is like literally the go-to nail on my channel. I'll always be doing it, but there's a certain aspect of coffin nail. Sometimes you can go really thin at the tip of the nail, or you can go a little bit, it depends on who you are. So today we'll be doing some slim thick nails. I'll be working with the 3-ball method. I'm very comfortable with that. And surprisingly, guys, if you are new to my channel, I must say that I had a hate relationship with sculptured forms, and sculptured forms are literally my best friend right now. But yeah, I haven't given up on my tips, but I just want to put that out there that sculptured forms are my besties. So now I'll be taking, this is bronze, very nice color. Surprisingly, this is a nude, but it gives off a very pinkish undertone to it, but just a point out. So I'll be doing this nail French. So what I had in my head is that, because originally I wanted these nails to be milk bath, like marble Sharpie marble milk bath nails, but it never turned out how it was. So I already had that concept in my head when I was doing this video. So I did the white part, very thin, very opaque. So I did very thin with the marbling but milk bath in my head that I was going to do it. So yeah, so that's what was going on here. So I'll switch around decided not to do that. I'll do it for another video, so ensure you're subscribed, because I'll be dropping videos here and there, videos. So as I pointed out in a previous video that I did also, is that how to perfect your smile line is that you want to go in when the acrylic is between drying and it's being soft. So you want to go between that stages, so you get a more pristine line. That's what I did. And then I came in with the white, did a thin layer of white, and I decided, okay, all right, I'm not going to follow through with this. I'll do this for next video. So yeah, I hope you guys do it. You're enjoying this. I am starting to see more support from, new subscribers. Some of just want to big up them. Thank you guys so very much for subscribing my channel. There's more to come on here. Sit back, relax, like, follow, subscribe, do all the above, and you'll be Gucci. Thank you so very much, everybody. So then I'll go and shape and file. I do all the boring stuff off camera. So yeah, so I'll shape, file, encapsulate. Well, I didn't encapsulate, so I shape file. So these are how the nails are looking. They're very, very, very bomb. So now I'm going in with sharpers and highlighters. So there's no method to this. You can choose any random colors that you wish, any color that you like. So there's no order to how I'm doing this, but I do want to point out that if you are doing this method, I don't recommend you using alcohol to do it, because it won't move the Sharpies as much. So so you could go in with acetone works very, 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 very well. And also, don't dip into the acetone very heavily and tap on the nail. It runs into other colors fairly quickly. So what you want to do is tap off the excess liquid off the brush and then tap the colors, and you'll be fine. And it's also great that you have some control over it. So if you like it like one way, it's a process to it. So yeah, so there's no method to my madness. I am just rubbing the nails all over. I'll do this on every fingernail, including the French, and then I'll top coat, and that's about it, nothing else. I really enjoy doing these videos. I hope you guys like, subscribe, ensure your notifications is turned on, because I post twice a week, every week, and also I post bonus videos here and there, so ensure that it's turned on. And also follow me on my Instagram at BareBeauty Services. And guys, thank you so very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.